Hello, my name is Naveen Krishnamurthy. I am a part of Aspire Factory. So today I am at AEC Race where we have launched Aspire Factory and its products. The first series is UV Dost, and we have developed this product from Akash Shed, and we are at the AEC Race today to launch this as a product and also as a tech course. So the core goal for us is to create micro entrepreneurs worldwide where we give tech transfer and enable them in building the right product to solve the most compelling problem, which is cleaning or neutralizing the pathogens. So anything on the surface of an object could be neutralized using these products of us. So the technology used here is UVC, which is a proven one, and we are going to take this to the world through AEC's partnership.
Another exciting day for AEC. As you all know, from the start of this COVID-19 lockdown and related issues, AEC, under the guidance of AIM New Delhi, which is coming under Niti Aayog, has been trying to innovate different solutions to solve issues for general community, public and so on. First, we built a face shield using 3D printers. We created an innovative 3D printing design. In fact, a lot of face shields, the plastic face shields, which are being used across the state today by police department, has gone from this particular innovation. The design was made public. A lot of people started using, and there was a huge appreciation from in the entire country for the face shield design, and that we created within few weeks of this entire situation. Then we created involving few other entrepreneurs, we created ventilator. That also was a good prototype, good demonstrations were going on, but need for ventilators have come down, so that project was stopped. But since then, today, when I go home every day, I think that I'm making my home and family safe by washing my hands, okay, and removing my mask and throwing it away and washing my hands. But unfortunately, I'm carrying a cell phone, I'm carrying a wallet, I'm carrying different things. COVID can go into the house through that. So every day I'm risking this. That's why we were always saying that a device like a microwave or some object, some box where you can put all the things which you are taking inside the house should be sanitized and then taken inside. Such a product will be extremely useful, was the thinking. That's why we spawned entrepreneurs to do this. And successfully today, Mr. Naveen, Mr. Giri and few other people as a team worked together and created 4 different sanitizers here. These are all machines where it works using UVC technology. UVC is proven to destroy microbes, bacteria, virus and everything. So it's a proven technology, but applying that for today's scenario is what these gentlemen have created. In here, there are simple, this is all retrofitted ones. For cost effectiveness, 500-600 rupees useless or broken microwave refrigerator were taken, fitted with UVC inside. So now you can put these objects inside, you can sanitize it, take it out very happily and safely, take it inside the house. That's the whole idea. The gentlemen have created 2 streams of business here. One is we can always take a useless microwave or a refrigerator like this. They are going to give the technology, they are going to supply a kit along with how to do it yourself video. So anybody in villages, any nook and corner of the world, with the community, they are going to work together and people can buy this kit and fix UVC lights into them and use it for sanitization of everything which they are going to take it inside the house or office. That is one way of working. Another thing is they are going to manufacture these on a fresh manufacturing stream as well, in which we are going to work with few OEMs to create such boxes with UVC light technology which they have developed, will be put inside, and then we will sell them across the world. And for that we do have great contacts like PWR, we have great contacts like M Model who have global reach in terms of product selling. So we will use them all to market this product worldwide. Avantar is another company which has a $5 billion sales in this kind of segments like healthcare. So there are tenants within our own campus who can take such products worldwide. So we will use the access and we create these products, manufacture these products and supply worldwide. So it's a great job by the team led by Mr. Naveen and Giri. There is apparently there is a team of 5-6 people. All of their efforts have turned into products which can really mitigate our pressure and stress during this COVID situation by making us feel slightly safer. Thank you so much. All the best for all the efforts of all the entrepreneurs who have been involved in this. They have been creating this from the garage, and I'm sure these products, one more thing, apart from during the COVID situation, can be used after the COVID situation also for sanitization of vegetables, fruits and things like that which are infested with chemicals and waxes and things like that. So those things can also be cleaned using this product. So they have created a great platform. I wish them all good luck and all our support, and along with the government support, these products in this company will go a long way.